Today we learn our third gate, that is NOT gate. Another name of NOT gate is inverter, and the main purpose of this gate is to invert signals. Simplest gate, flip it. Create complemented variables in Boolean expression and build all other gates. Means NOT gate convert your value. How it is convert? Let's make truth table first for this gate. Then we design a logic circuit for this gate. So there is only one variable required for this gate. We take a variable and not a. If we have two variables 0 and 1, now not gate, what is done? 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0. Now as you can see how it convert values into and against 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0. Now we can make a logic circuit for this gate. Let's start. So here our tool circuit verse that is online available. So now we take our NOT gate here. This is our NOT gate. We drag and drop here our NOT gate. As you can see, here is one option for point and here is one option. Now we can take output that shows working of our NOT gate. Now we can take input. So here is we attach this point, button point to NOT gate this point, and from this to this. Now as you can see the button is off, LED on. If I press this button, that is one LED off. So this is working of NOT gate, and here is the easiest way to build circuit of NOT gate.